on, DJ Plug, you just killed.
Bobby Critical.
Hey, so it's your boy Mark Uzi Vert. I'm here with another video. My basically decided it's gonna be a hair channel for a good little couple months. Cause that's a lot of two things in hair tutorials and freaking story times. So that's what I'm gonna stick to for the next couple months. One of the biggest things people ask me is what moisturizer I use in my hair. Cause they always ask me why my hair looks so shiny. I use Shay's butter. This stuff right here. I use this stuff a lot cause I mean it smells nice, and it got proteins in the hair to make your hair grow faster. It smells weird. I can't really smell it, but yeah, that's one thing about it. And when people ask, how do I sleep with my hair? There's two type of freeform. There's the traditional there's the traditional freeform, and there's the somewhat maintenance freeform. That's what I'm doing. Like you can tell how they dread it, but at the same time it's still freeform. I don't know. It's wild. And there's the I don't give a hell freeforms, though a lot of people don't like. So people ask about what do I sleep with? Some nights I sleep with durag, some nights I don't. It depends on how I feel. Yeah, depends on how I feel. People ask how often do I retwist my hair? I used to retwist my hair like every day because I ain't have no product to like hold my stuff, keep it tight. But ever since I got my ankle styling gel, my freaking dreads became a little harder. Like they a little harder. And they're easy. I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know. But add me on Instagram, Mark Uzi Vert, and not add me, follow me, Mark Uzi Vert, and Snapchat Lord206. And people ask which one I prefer, the towel or the sponge. That's like a most asked question for freeformers. When you're first started, please use a sponge because you gonna look stupid as hell trying to, hopefully the towel will catch your hair, but it's not gonna catch your hair, it's too short. It's not. Come on, be for real. People ask what haircut I got. I got a high top taper fade, taper front fade. I got the high top at the back, and I got the taper lined up at the front. I just got my first. Some people they taper back here, and I can't imagine that all these. Cause these are really what some of my favorite dreads are. One of my favorite dreads is this one right here. That one touched my ear. All of them touched my ear. That was not me. But yeah, that really closed the video. I'm just gonna be a hair video for now until we about to go back to school. That's when I'm start trying my story time and stuff. If you want to check out my story time, check out my favorite story time and one in the corner on which one to put it at. But you already know how we rock. Mark Uzi Vert Nation. And Shea Moisture, if you're watching this video, please yeah, let me go ahead and get that promotion, because I would really appreciate it. This is some good shit. But yeah, you already know how we rock, yo. Add me on Snap, Lord206, and follow me on IG at Mar Uzi Vert. Tell me what y'all continue to tell me what y'all want to do. If y'all want me to do a story time, let me know. If y'all keep wanting me to do hair tutorials, let me know. It depends what y'all want. Cause y'all know look at reflection. Take the glass out for reflection. You already know how I rock, yo. I'm gonna start reposting up daily. Yeah, cause I got my subscribers up. Y'all know, give me a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe. I need 100 followers, yo. I need them bad. And y'all already know, y'all look out for me. I'm gonna look out for y'all. So we out.